Hello and welcome. My name's Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind the Country Chic Cottage. Cricut recently added something they're calling Create Sticker to Cricut Design Space. Now before we get started, this is for Access subscribers only, but if you have Access and want to know how to use the Create Sticker feature, then you'll want to watch this video. If you don't have Access, wondering what the feature is about, this video is for you as well. It might convince you that you need Cricut Access or that you don't need it at all. So we're going to make some print and cut stickers, and I have some free book stack files for you to use for this or any other project that you might be making. And I will have those print and cut files in the description below this video. Just sign up for my email list and those will be emailed to you. So now let's take a look in Cricut Design Space at what Create Sticker is, what it does, and make some stickers with these book stack files. Head to Cricut Design Space. Now first of all, if you don't see the Create Sticker option in your top toolbar, it may not be live to all subscribers yet. It might still be in beta mode. You can turn on beta mode by going to your name in the upper right hand corner and clicking the arrow, then clicking Settings. Under the General tab, turn on the Beta Application Experience. Design Space may restart and re-download when you do this. This will work for any image in Design Space. You can upload your own images, you can use text. I'm going to upload an image for example purposes. So click Upload, Upload Image, browse and find the image on your computer. For most images I like complex. Click Continue. Then you will want to remove the background. Create Sticker is for Cricut Access, so I'm going to use the automatic background remover that is also for Cricut Access. You want the background to be checked. You can also manually remove the background or alter the results here. So let's say I'm going to click Restore and I'm going to add this middle portion back in because I don't want the background removed from those areas. So you can play with your image and get it the way you like it. Then click Apply and Continue. You want to go with the print and cut image. However, you do want to make sure that this cut image looks correct. Does it look how you want your sticker to look? If so, click Print and Cut and Upload. Depending on the size of your image and your internet connection speed, this may take a while. Then from this screen, pick the image you upload and click Add to Canvas. Now from here, you can resize it to the size you would like your sticker to be. And now let's make this a sticker. So once I have it at the right size, first of all, this is already a print and cut image because that's why I uploaded it. For illustration purposes, let me add a star, and I'm just going to make it a purple star. Now as you can see, this is a cut option. However, if I click the Create Sticker and let's say Kiss Cut and Apply, this makes it a print and cut. So you do not have to use the flatten button if you were to upload something like a SVG file and want to make it into a sticker. However, with this image, it's already a print and cut image. I can click Create Sticker. Now let's look at the options within the Create Sticker function. You can choose die cut or kiss cut. A die cut sticker will cut all the way through the material exactly around your design. A kiss cut will cut through just the top layer, leaving you where you can peel it away from that backing paper. Now for each of these you have some more options. So I'm going to click die cut. First of all, I can put a border around the sticker. This is the same thing as the offset function. So no more needing to add an offset. I can just choose what type of border I want. I sort of like the thin border, so I'm going to choose that. And you can add a border fill color. I like white, but I could literally choose from any color of the rainbow to put around my sticker. But I'm going to leave it at white. So now I have a thin white border around my sticker. I can choose whether to cut interior shapes or not. So no more contouring out those interior shapes. If I don't want them, I leave this off, just like this. If I did want the interior shapes, I would click this to add those back in. But I want those to be off. So for the die cut sticker, I'm going to click Apply. I'm going to make this one smaller, do Create Sticker, and this time I'm going to do a kiss cut, and let's look at the options for it. Once again, there's no reason to use the offset button. I can add a border right in Create Sticker. Again, I like a thin border, I'm going to add that. Border fill color, I'm going to leave it white. Now for this sticker, I'm going to leave die cut edge off and cut interior shapes off. So this will just kiss cut around that thin border. Let's look at adding a die cut edge to a different image. Adding this third image, I'm going to go ahead and click Create Sticker, Kiss Cut, Add add that thin border. Border fill color, I'm going to leave it as white, but this time I'm going to add a die cut edge. Then click apply. Now let's look a little bit closer at each of these. First you have the die cut sticker, you can see what that looks like. Kiss cut sticker, you can see what that looks like. And lastly, you have the kiss cut with a die cut. So it has a kiss cut around this inner edge and a die cut around the outer edge. I'm going to go ahead and click make for these, and I'm going to print and cut each of them so you can see what they look like after you've done that. We can go ahead and delete these words off the top, and we'll click make. As you can see, Design Space is putting all three onto one sheet of sticker paper. So we are going to try that and see if this actually works. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And first of all, we can click send to printer. You can add bleed if you made that offset or surround any other color than white. When I make my stickers, I generally make that white, so I turn the bleed off. And then I usually do use system dialog box. And then click print. For this, I like to change the quality to best. And then for your paper type or media type, you can also play around with this. I'm going to try a photo paper in this case. Depends on the printer how you'll get the best results. Also, it depends on your computer as well as your printer as far as what this screen will look like. But hopefully you can find quality as well as paper or media type within your printer settings. Now I'm going to go ahead and print and cut these on my Cricut machine and show you the results. When you do this, you can actually set the kiss cut and the die cut pressure to different pressures. You could choose more or less for both the kiss cut as well as the die cut. I'm going to leave them both at default. And I'm using my fine point blade and my Cricut Joy Extra. Here are the results of that cut straight out of the Cricut machine. This bottom one is a die cut, so it cuts all the way through both the backing as well as the sticker paper itself. So you have the backing on the sticker, and you would need to use your fingernail and peel that backing away to get to your sticker. This one is a kiss cut with a die cut, so I can go ahead and kind of peel that off. Peel this one off. This one is just a kiss cut. So the difference between these two, this kiss cut only is not cut through the backing at all. So you would need to peel that away from the backing sheet so you can see how that peels away. This kiss cut with a die cut has that outer edge. I'm going to peel that away and sort of discard it. So now what I have is a kiss cut around the inside, not cut through the backing, and the backing cut way around this outer edge. This is my favorite way to make stickers because now it is very easy to peel this back. It is also great for selling stickers because you can sell them just like this. So a kiss cut with that die cut outer edge is my personal favorite, but now you have three options with Create Sticker right in Cricut Design Space. Die cut, just kiss cut, or kiss cut with die cut around the edge. So as you saw, I was able to cut all three types of stickers on one sheet within Cricut Design Space, which I liked. So I could do the kiss cut, the through cut, as well as the kiss cut with the through cut around it. So that is kind of a benefit to me that you could do all of those at once. Plus, the main benefit of the Create Sticker for me was that it was very easy to make stickers, regardless of the type of cut I wanted. So I just picked my file, picked what type of cut I wanted, and Cricut Design Space did the work for me. Now, are there hacks and workarounds to do the same thing I just did? Yes, there are. So there are hacks and workarounds that you can use within Cricut Design Space to do the exact same thing that I just did with the Create Sticker function. So if you still want to use those hacks for your Cricut projects, by all means use those. However, if you have Cricut Access or you're interested in purchasing it, Create Sticker might be a function that you look into. I do think it makes making stickers very easy. So if you like things that are easy or you make a lot of stickers, you might want to consider using the Create Sticker. Now, as I mentioned at the first of this video, this might still be in beta, so you would need to change into the beta to see it. At some point, it will transition into the live version of Cricut Design Space, and everyone will be able to see it. Again, you can only use it if you're a Cricut Access member. So you'll either need to sign up for that, or sometimes when you purchase a new machine, you get a free trial, so you might try it during that free trial period as well. So now, if you have any questions about making these stickers with the Create Sticker program, drop down in the comment section, ask away. If you like this video, if it helped you, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have videos just like this one every single week, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of those. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.